Hello there! Have you ever met a fish that can puff itself up like a balloon? Well, meet the pufferfish, the underwater world's resident inflatable wonder. These fascinating creatures are full of surprises, from their spiky skin to their rather explosive defense mechanisms. Imagine this. A slow, somewhat clumsy fish minding its own business in the vast ocean. Suddenly, danger! A hungry shark appears, ready for a quick snack. But our fishy friend has a trick up its scales. It sucks in a huge gulp of water, inflating itself to several times its size. The shark is shocked, confused, and maybe even a bit intimidated. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a pufferfish? Well, it's not just one fish, but a whole group of them. We're talking over 200 different species, each with its own quirks and characteristics. They go by many names: pufferfish, blowfish, globefish, balloonfish, the list goes on. But no matter what you call them, one thing's for sure, they're a fascinating bunch. Taxonomically speaking, and yes, we're going there, these inflatable wonders belong to the family Tetraodontidae. That's a mouthful, I know, but it essentially means four-toothed, and trust me, those teeth are something else. Imagine four teeth fused together to form a beak-like structure, perfect for crushing shells and crunching on their favorite snacks. Size, as they say, isn't everything. In the vast and diverse world of marine life, this statement holds especially true. And in the world of pufferfish, that couldn't be truer. These fascinating creatures defy expectations with their unique adaptations and surprising behaviors. These underwater inflatables come in a dazzling array of sizes, each with its own charm and characteristics. From the teeny tiny dwarf pufferfish, barely an inch long, which can be easily overlooked due to its minuscule size, to the impressive freshwater giant pufferfish, reaching over 2 feet in length. These giants are a sight to behold, commanding attention with their sheer size. Imagine a fish smaller than your fingernail, puffing itself up to the size of a golf ball. This incredible transformation is a defense mechanism that deters predators. That's the dwarf pufferfish for you, a miniature marvel of the underwater world. Despite its small size, it plays a big role in its ecosystem. But let's not forget the big boys. These larger species have their own unique appeal and fascinating behaviors. The MBU pufferfish, a freshwater giant, can grow to over 2 feet long and weigh over 30 pounds. That's one hefty fish. Their size and weight make them one of the most impressive pufferfish species. These gentle giants might look intimidating, but they're actually quite peaceful, often seen gliding gracefully through the water. Spending their days leisurely cruising through their freshwater homes, they contribute to the balance of their aquatic environments. And then there's the variety. Pufferfish come in an astonishing range of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some pufferfish are sleek and streamlined, built for speed and agility in the water, while others are round and robust, designed to puff up and deter predators. Some sport vibrant colors and patterns, making them stand out in their underwater habitats, while others prefer a more subdued camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to avoid detection. Each pufferfish is a unique marvel, contributing to the rich tapestry of marine life. Pufferfish, those inflatable adventurers, are true citizens of the world. You'll find them in tropical and subtropical waters all over the globe, from the vibrant coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific to the warm coastal waters of the Americas and Africa. They're like the backpackers of the fish world, always on the move, exploring new and exciting habitats. But don't think for a minute that they're just drifting aimlessly. Pufferfish are quite picky about their neighborhoods. They prefer sheltered areas with plenty of hiding spots like coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds. Think of it as their version of a bustling city, full of nooks and crannies to explore. Ah, romance. It's a universal language, transcending species and environments. Even pufferfish, with their prickly exteriors and inflatable tendencies, feel the pangs of love. These fascinating creatures have their own unique ways of expressing affection and attracting mates. But their courtship rituals are a far cry from candlelit dinners and moonlit walks on the beach. Instead, they engage in elaborate displays that are both artistic and athletic. Think more along the lines of underwater acrobatics, elaborate sandcastles, and a whole lot of bubble blowing. These displays are not just for show. They serve a crucial purpose in the mating process. When it's time to mate, male pufferfish transform into architects, meticulously crafting intricate circular nests on the seabed. These nests are a testament to their dedication and skill. These aren't your average sandcastles, though. The level of detail and precision involved is truly astounding. These nests can be up to 6 feet in diameter, with intricate ridges and grooves designed to attract a discerning female. The patterns are not random, they are carefully planned to catch the eye, Talk about pulling out all the stops. The male pufferfish spares no effort in creating the perfect nest. Once the nest is complete, the male performs a mesmerizing dance, puffing and shimmying to entice a female to inspect his handiwork. This dance is a crucial part of the courtship ritual. If she's impressed, and let's be honest, who wouldn't be, she'll lay her eggs within the nest, where they'll be fertilized by the male. This marks the beginning of a new generation. Talk about a romantic getaway. The nest becomes a safe haven for the eggs, protected by the parents. But their parenting duties don't end there. The male often stays close to guard the nest, ensuring the safety of the eggs. Some pufferfish species are surprisingly attentive parents. They continue to care for the young even after they hatch, ensuring they have the best start in life. Section 6. Growing up. Pufferfish, it's no picnic. Life as a baby pufferfish is a delicate dance between survival and, well, becoming someone else's lunch. These tiny tots, hatching from eggs no bigger than a pinhead, face a perilous journey to adulthood. It's like a real-life underwater version of the Hunger Games with adorable inflatable contestants. Upon hatching, these miniature pufferfish, known as fry, drift along with the currents, feeding on microscopic plankton. They're like tiny, hungry explorers, navigating the vastness of the ocean. But danger lurks around every corner, in the form of hungry predators, eager for a bite-sized snack. As they grow, they develop their signature puffing ability, a crucial defense mechanism against predators. Imagine a tiny pufferfish, barely larger than a grain of rice, suddenly inflating itself to the size of a pea. It's enough to make any predator think twice. Section 7. To eat or not to eat. A pufferfish's guide to fine dining and avoiding becoming dinner. Pufferfish, despite their cuddly appearance, when not inflated of course, are far from vegetarians. These opportunistic carnivores have a diverse palate, indulging in a smorgasbord of delicacies, from crunchy crustaceans to unsuspecting mollusks. Imagine a pufferfish, teeth bared, gobbling down a crab like it's a bag of chips. Not exactly the image of a peaceful herbivore, is it? Their powerful beak-like teeth, perfect for crushing shells and exoskeletons, allow them to access a variety of prey. Snails, clams, mussels, you name it. If it has a shell, a pufferfish probably wouldn't mind cracking it open for a tasty snack. They're like the underwater garbage disposals, keeping the ecosystem in check by feasting on a wide range of creatures. But their diet isn't just about satisfying their hunger. Section 8. You are what you eat, unless you're a pufferfish eating poison. Now for the million-dollar question, why on earth would a pufferfish willingly ingest something as deadly as tetrodotoxin? This isn't just a casual snack. It's a calculated move in the game of survival. Well, dear reader, it all boils down to survival of the fittest and the most toxic. In the vast and perilous ocean, every creature is constantly on the lookout for ways to stay alive. And the pufferfish has found a rather unique strategy. You see, pufferfish have evolved this extraordinary ability to accumulate tetrodotoxin in their organs, particularly in their liver, ovaries, and skin. This isn't just a random occurrence. It's a sophisticated defense mechanism honed over millions of years. This potent neurotoxin, hundreds of times more deadly than cyanide, acts as a powerful deterrent to predators. It's like having a neon sign that says, "Eat me at your own risk." Imagine a hungry shark eyeing up a plump pufferfish for a quick snack. The shark, unaware of the danger, takes a bite, expecting a tasty meal. One bite, and the shark is met with a mouthful of tingling numbness followed by paralysis and, in some cases, even death. The pufferfish's toxic defense kicks in almost immediately, ensuring its survival. Talk about a bad case of indigestion. The shark quickly learns that this seemingly easy meal is not worth the risk. But here's the fascinating part. Pufferfish themselves are immune to tetrodotoxin. This immunity is not just a fluke. It's a critical adaptation that allows them to thrive in their environment. They've developed a unique resistance to this deadly poison, allowing them to safely accumulate it in their bodies. Scientists are still studying how this immunity works, but it's clear that it gives the pufferfish a significant advantage. And use it to their advantage. When threatened, they can inflate their bodies and display their toxic spines, making them even more unappetizing to predators. It's like having a built-in suit of armor, protecting them from even the most fearsome predators. In the underwater world, where danger lurks around every corner, the pufferfish's toxic strategy is a brilliant example of nature's ingenuity. Section 9. The curious case of the pufferfish, a final blow. And so we come to the end of our inflatable adventure, having explored the fascinating and often bizarre world of pufferfish. From their prickly exteriors and inflatable defenses to their powerful teeth and deadly toxins, these creatures are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. We've marveled at their intricate courtship rituals, witnessed the perilous journey of pufferfish fry, and delved into the mysteries of their toxic diet. We've learned that these creatures, though often perceived as comical or even cute, are masters of survival, equipped with a remarkable array of adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in oceans and rivers around the globe. But perhaps the most important lesson we can take away from our encounter with pufferfish is the importance of respect and conservation.